Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important session in which we are going to do the analysis of the another important question from electromagnetic theory. So again, we will be talking about the given details in the question. We will be talking about the best approach to solve it and what are the things you need to focus on when you are working on that question. Also guys, what steps will be the best suitable ones and which will be helping you to get the answer quickly and easily, all that we are going to talk about today. So let's have a look at the first question right now. Okay, we are going to do the analysis of this one. So actually, it's going to be 2 point charges plus 3q and negative q are placed. And guys, this type of analysis will surely be helping you to avoid making any kind of mistake related to these questions in the upcoming exams. And you will be taking care of the most important points after knowing about them. And 002D respectively. Above an infinite grounded conducting sheet kept in the xy plane at a point 00z where z is very much greater than d, the electrostatic potential of this charge configuration would approximately be. Now options are 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught d square over z cube times q. The another one is 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 2d over z square and here q. The next one we are going to have is, give me a second, let me just write it properly. One over 4 pi epsilon naught 3d over z square q 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught with a negative sign d square over z cube and q. This is what you're gonna have. If we are going to talk about this thing guys, now the next thing is let's do the analysis. So actually guys, in this case, if you will observe, they have given you there are 2 point charges, one having the value positive 3q, negative q, the another one are placed at 00d at this coordinate or the point and this one which has the particular coordinate respectively. Okay, so you know their positions now. Above an infinite grounded conducting sheet. So that's the another point you have to notice, because whenever you are going to have the infinite grounded conducting sheet given to you, that is going to be the question or the type of question in which case you have to consider and you have to apply the image charge method. So if I'm going to talk about the sheet, like I'm going to take it like this. Anyway, so let's say we are taking it this way. Why? Because you can see only the z coordinate is non-zero. Means they are on the z axis, right? So in that case, I'll have the vertical axis somewhere here. I'll have the first charge as 3q present here and negative q present here, right? So this is going to be at d distance and this is going to be at 2d distance. Now, since it is the infinite grounded conducting sheet, I'll have their image charges on the opposite side but equal distance from the origin. So negative 3q with the negative d coordinate, okay? And here we will have the positive q at that negative 2d coordinate, okay? So this is how you have considered their image charges. Now when you have considered their image charges, this is the whole system you will have. What they have asked you to find, they are saying where z is very much greater than d. So at this point somewhere we will have where z is very much greater than d, means it will be somewhere at a different distance, right? Now electrostatic potential of this charge configuration would approximately be what? So in this situation, first of all, we have to check out, is it a monopole, is it a dipole, is it a quadrupole, what is that? Accordingly, we will be writing the potential. So if you will see here, we are going to have the sum of all the charges is equal to what? 0, which means it's not a monopole. But if you will consider the dipole moment, in that case, it's going to be the charge multiplied with the corresponding distance, like q times negative 2d, negative 3q times negative d, 3q times d, negative q times 2d. So then you will find that is it going to give you the value 0 or non-zero? I think it's non-zero, and that is 2q, okay, d and z cap itself. So this is what you have got as your dipole moment, which is non-zero, right? When it is non-zero, it means it's a dipole. And then corresponding potential you just have to write, which is 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, the dipole moment you have got, okay, times unit vector r divided by r square. So when you will just consider its value, it will be z cap, so you will just simply have 2qd. So you are going to have 2qd divided by 4 pi epsilon naught z square, right? That's how you are going to have. Now in this case, if you will see what is the right answer, that's going to be option B, which is the correct one. So you can see what are the things you have to take care of. One thing from the question, that okay, they are using the infinite grounded conducting sheet, means image charge method needs to be used, right? Other than that, once you have considered that part, the other second thing you have to consider is the type of system you will form. Like you have to include the image charges, then you are going to check what kind of multipole is existing, is it monopole, dipole, quadrupole, or whatever. Accordingly, go ahead with the next step, that is your potential. So that's how you're going to reach to the final answer. So I hope guys each and everything is going to be clear to everyone. And if in case you are going to have any question, query, or doubt, you can surely let me know about it. But if everything is clear, that's great. Also guys, one more thing, here we are going to have the details about the latest offer which is going on Unacademy, and today is the last day to grab this offer as it is just valid till 31st July. So in that case guys, you can use and apply the code Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen to grab this offer, and you can share this information with all your friends too, those who want to start their preparation under the guidance of top educators and don't want to miss this offer because it can help them to save more and more. Along with that guys, we are going to have so many new courses starting on Unacademy in upcoming days, and many courses are just going on right now as well. So if you will take the subscription right now, you will be able to join and attend the sessions of all those ongoing courses as well as the upcoming ones, okay? Now depending on for how much time you are taking the subscription, along with that guys, what are the benefits you will get if you will be taking the plus, iconic, or the light subscription? So that has clearly been shown here. Even if you will take the plus or the iconic subscription, you will be able to check out the important notes which are now available on the Unacademy learning app, and you can easily have a look at this part, that what are the benefits you're gonna get if you will take the Unacademy plus, Unacademy iconic, or Unacademy Lite subscription. Depending on whichever you find more beneficial for yourself, you can take that subscription and start your preparation under the guidance of top educators. Also guys, don't forget to use and apply the code Anjali A Live as you will be proceeding further to take the subscription, because after applying the code, you will be able to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for attending it till the end. If you're new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel and click on the subscribe button below this video to get the notification For all the upcoming videos, you can click on that bell icon. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for attending it till then.